So, guys, hi to everyone. I hope it's started. So, let me check if I started the live stream and everything is working. It should work. Yep, it's finally working, guys. Oh my god, I'm so happy. You can imagine how happy I am because we had some difficulties with YouTube. I think you know about this. But right now, I'm with you here finally. So, guys, we can start our journey again in YouTube and our live streams. So, we're waiting Queen. Hello, guys. Honest Trader, my mentor. Hello to everyone. Here still not so many people because I didn't do live streams for a long time, so it's fine. But for those who are here, guys, you're really lucky people because today I will show you something I never show to other people. First of all, and second of all, in just random moment of my live stream, I will show you my promo code on the first deposit that will give you plus 50% to your first deposit on pocket option. This is really great opportunity for those who just start trading journey. And for example, you could deposit like $100 and you will have $150 on your account just because of this promo code. You will never find it somewhere else. So just watch this live stream till the end to catch this moment with my promo code. Hi, please, I can message you on Telegram. um I don't know what's the problem with that, but you can find my not bot when you can text me. So it's in my Telegram, and everything should work. So please try again. And if you will have any other difficulties, just try to support me somewhere. But I have only Telegram, actually only one Telegram, and I will answer to all the people there. But if you didn't have my answer, just try to text me again so I will see your messages because it's a lot of them, and maybe you just lost somewhere. Hi, Lisa. Hi to all. Hi, guys. You're very kind. Thank you so much. Hello. Hi, Lisa. Hey, Lisa. I'm waiting for this moment. Hi, Lisa. How are you? Looking great today. Thank you so much. I'm sure you also look great. Guys, by the way, always on the YouTube live streams, I ask my subscribers, where are you from, guys? What country you're from? Because it's always interesting for me from where you're watching this live stream today. Um, your love saver. You mean love saver, maybe? If yes, thank you so much. UK. Oh, UK here. When I met people from UK, I'm really embarrassed for my accent because I have like American accent, and I always wonder to have a British accent because it sounds so great. It sounds so elegant. I always wanted to have a British accent, but I tried to learn it, and I can talk like with British accent, but still it's not so clean. But I'm just when I met people from UK, I'm really happy because just listen how they talk. It's like a honey for me, honey for my ears. Hi, Lisa from VIP Club in Somalia, wow, India. Malaysia. I was there. I was in Kuala Lumpur. So hi, Malaysia. It's one of my favorite, actually, country in all Asia. So yeah, I love Malaysia. Kenya, please the promo codes. It will be here soon, guys. Ghana. Yeah, guys, by the way, I want to tell you that right now we're just talking. We're just waiting for other people to join, maybe for more like 5 seconds, and then we will start our trading here. I will show you some indicators, some strategies that I use, so you could also try it after that. So yeah, today will be a lot of useful information about trading, so don't miss it. Montenegro. Wow, where is that? Kronagora. Wow, I need to Google it. I'm sorry, but I don't know it, but sounds really nice. Sounds really nice. Cambodia, India, Sri Lanka. Wow. Egypt. Egypt? Really? Never met people from no, I met one person from Egypt one time. It's my friend, and we celebrated his birthday in like Egyptian style. It was so nice. It was so great. From Ethiopia, Nigeria, US. Hello, United States. Nigeria, a lot of actually people from Nigeria. A lot. I don't know. And the thing is that Nigerian people is really sorry for all other people from other countries, but people from Nigeria is so kind, is so wholesome, is so just, like a, ah, like green flags, absolutely. Like so cute, so, you know, I can't even explain it, but when I talk to people from Nigeria, it feels to me like we're friends for a long time. You're so kind, guys. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. Um, Greetings from Nigeria. Again, Kenya, Italian from UK. Italian from UK. So you're Italian, but you're living in the UK right now, right? Italian. Oh my god, that's so cool. I have one Italian friend, and the thing is that just a funny stories for you, because you don't know so much about my life, and I always want to share something with you like that, but I'm not sure if it's really interesting for you. So I have one Italian friend, and he's dancing like he's a professional dancer of all time, like this classical dance and everything. It's so crazy how he make this moves, but I think almost all Italian people can dance really well. I don't know, it feels like you just can do it since you're a child. That's it. Like you just know how to move. You just know how to do it. It's really cool. Nigeria, Netherlands. Where, Amsterdam or somewhere else? So many countries today: Angola, Ethiopia, Nigeria again, South Sudan. Ooh, I never heard some of my subscribers were from South Sudan. That's nice. Hi, new country here. Ukraine. Hi Ukraine. Somalian from Kenya. Wow, today is the second day of New Year in Ethiopia. Are you serious? So this person is texting, today is the second day of New Year in Ethiopia 2017. I will just do a screenshot and I will check, but I'm not sure about this. I think you're kidding. But I know, like, for example, like Chinese New Year, they celebrate it in like January, February, if I'm right. And it's always like different dates. Some of the times it's like the middle of the February. Some of the times it's like the end of February, for example. So it's always like different. So maybe in Ethiopia have the same. From Afghanistan, hello from Suriname. I hope I spelled it right. Sorry. Yes, I'm Italian and live in UK. Why you move from Italia? It's like, why you move from Italy? I think it's so cool country to live. Just drinking wine, just eating pizza, having like your best time. I don't know. But maybe it's more for like people after 40s. Yeah, when you just like want to settle down, just chill, just do nothing, just drink limoncello, if I'm right. I think it spells like this. 1 hour of Amsterdam driving. Oh, that's great. That's great. I also have a few friends from Amsterdam. I've never been there, though, but I heard a lot of interesting stories from Amsterdam, if you know what I mean. I'm from Suriname, South America. Ooh, wow. Also never heard about this. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at geographic, but I'm really good at trading, guys. So this is the most important thing, I think. Thank you for your likes. I see it. I see that you send the reactions. So yeah. Ooh, more hearts. Hello from Ghana, from Nepal. Nepal, wow. It's true, Ethiopia are in 2017. I don't know. You tell me, guys. How did you grow your followers? Ooh, I do, like, for example, right now, this is my new YouTube channel. Here I have, like, around 1000 subscribers only. But on my other YouTube channel, I have like, I think 15K subscribers right now. And my last YouTube channel I was doing for maybe 6 months. And we were doing like just really cool videos. So that's how I did it, I think, because you could watch my last videos. It's really nice. I was doing the videos on Bali with the villas and everything, with pools and all the views. So that's how I think. And also like I'm doing all of this for almost like 2 years, I think, like all this project, like my YouTube, my Telegram. So it's a really long way already. So I think that's pretty. That's not even like a big growth for 2 years. I have like 50K in my Telegram, yes, but for the first year maybe of all of this, I had maybe like 10K subscribers. So I think this year of my project, of everything that I do, is like the most successful one, because I made like X5 to my followers. But actually followers is not so, like, the numbers is not really so important for me. It's much more important that my followers is real. They're really, like, want to achieve some goals and everything. They're active. They are in this community. So my main goal is to create the best and the most biggest community of trading. So this is it. And it's not about the numbers only. This is also about the people that are in this community. So. Hello, yes, from Suriname, Bangladesh. Hello, streaming for Kenya. That's great. How did you learn to trade? Ooh, it's a big question, but what can I say? I'm trading for 5 years already. I know it's not so long, actually. I know people who's doing that for years and years, like for 10 years plus and even more. But the thing is that it's actually took me a lot of time to learn all of this, because I was doing it by myself. Of course, I also like bought a lot of courses, a lot of mentorships from a lot of traders. And some of them was okay, some of them was great, and some of them was not really so good. So it was always like, just I made a mistake and boom, I realized like, oh, this is not right and this is right. And this is just all about the practice, about your experience, about your actually wanting to achieve something in this industry, because this is still pretty hard. I'm always telling, like, trading is not for everyone. We will talk about this later, by the way. Do you get paid by pocket option, and how? Of course, yes. So a lot of people still ask me, like, and I totally can understand why you ask me that. So, like, what is the point of me doing all of that? Because my VIP Club is free, my signals is free, my voice trading sessions is free, YouTube is free, Telegram is free. Like, I don't sell anything to people, absolutely anything. For all these 2 years, I never sell anything to people. I never take any money from people. So the thing is that I have like a referral program with pocket options, so I get 10% of all of your profits that you made with me. So that's why it's important to register on pocket option by my link and just trade with me. So that's why I do trading sessions every day, so you could earn profits. And I'm really interested that you will make profit, because I get 10% of your profits. And you're not paying this 10% for me, like the platform is paying this 10% for me, because you are doing the money on this platform. That's it. So yeah, this is pretty simple, and this is my kind of like mindset and my decision not to take any money from people. I know a lot of traders want to earn as much money as they can and as fast as they can. And that's why they sell their products. That's why they sell their VIP Club or signals or something else. And it's okay. It's fine. They could do that. But this is why not so many people, actually a lot of people, is not believing in trading and not believing to traders anymore. Because here's so many traders that just want to make money. Because you need to understand, guys, if they actually are good traders, they will not sell you their products for like I don't know, $50, $100, or something else. For me, this is just a passive income because I have 50,000 of people that trading with me, 50,000 in my main channel and something around like 10,000 in my VIP club who's trading with me every day for 2 years. So the thing is that I have a huge passive income from that. And also one of the main thing why I do all of that, because I really want it, because I really enjoy when I share my experience, my strategies, everything that I know with you, and I could give it to you absolutely for free as well. So this is just my goal. This is just what I really like. And yeah, actually, I don't really recommend you to pay to any trader, to pay like for signals or something else. For example, for voice trading sessions, maybe yes. But for just regular signals, for, I don't know, some courses or something else, no. Because guys, there is so much information on YouTube. There's so much information in just internet, in Google. You just need to find it. Like, you just need to sit sit and just do research. There's a lot of information that you could learn. So do you get okay, I already asked this question, guys. It's my birthday, wish me. Oh, so trigger insan 2.0. If I'm right, okay, insan, I think yes. Happy birthday to you. Text in the comments how old are you now. So I wish you just to be happy. Actually, I always wish it to the people because this is the main thing in the life, is to be happy. Whenever you were, it doesn't matter who's around you. It doesn't matter where you live right now. You have money or not. Just be happy because you're alive. You're on this earth. You're healthy. You have your body. You have 2 arms, 2 legs. You can breathe. You can live. You can you open your eyes every day, and you could do something great every day as well. So just be thankful and grateful for that, and because of that, just be happy, because happiness is the main key to happy life as well. So I wish you a happy birthday. Hello, Queen. Would you attend to me or people who want to deposit after the lift? Right. Wait a minute. Would you attend to me or people? Wait a minute. Sorry guys, some message. So would you attend to me or people who want to deposit after the live, right, Lisa? I mean, like, if you want to do it, you can do it, but it doesn't really important that you will do it after the live, or you could do it later. Like, I'm not pushing you to do it, but of course after the live you can text me, and I will definitely help you with that. So Lisa, Zimbabwe represented here. Hello, hello. I also never met in the comments someone from Zimbabwe. I think I spelled it right. Okay. Hello, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? Watching from Nigeria. Hi, Lisa. What to do to become a professional trader like you? Ooh, it's talk for maybe like 20 minutes, I think, about my way, about all of that. Yeah, but we'll talk about this on the live stream. I will even screenshot your comment because I just want to end these messages, and I will start showing you something already because I think you're waiting for that. So what advice would you give to a beginner when trading in pocket option? What should beginner learn first before trading in real account? So really, really short. First of all, you need to trade on the demo account, definitely, but not for so long. If you will always trade on the demo account, you will not feel the stress, because when you trade on the live account, on the real account, on pocket option, you will definitely feel stress when you open a trade or when you lost some trade or something else. When you trade on demo account, you don't feel this fear because this is not real money. And when you constantly, every time trading on demo account, you didn't feel this feeling. You didn't feel the risk. You didn't feel adrenaline. You didn't feel that you could lose it because this is just virtual money, right? So you should always Of course, you should try to trade on the demo account first, or for example, for practicing some strategies, or for if you just started and follow my signals. Of course, I always recommend people first trading session or two trading sessions with me, you trading on demo account to understand how all this working, and you will not be so stressful because you still need to understand how the catch-up system work, how the money management work, and how just to follow my signals. And you will see that on demo account, boom, you made a really great result, and you will be more confident in yourself on trading on real account. So I think this is one of the main thing I recommend to you. First of all. Second of all, practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day of trading will be good for you as a trader in the future. And it doesn't matter if you follow my signals or you trade by yourself. For example, why I created all of that? Because it's actually much more easier to follow someone's signal than to analyze all the markets using a lot of strategies, indicators, and everything to make a decision about the future movement of the chart. And it will take much more time than if you will just follow my signal. When you follow my signal, like, you don't need to analyze the market. You just need to follow my signals right after me. Like, you don't need to analyze anything. But when you trade by yourself, you need to analyze all of that, and it will take a lot of work. And if you want to become a trader, you need to learn for years. It's minimum 2 years. It's minimum 1 year at least. So yeah, and everything, will come to you with the practice, because a lot of people is asking me, oh my god, how you analyze the chart so fast, how you for example on the voice trading session, like, I make a decision like really fast, because guys, I already know all of that. Like, I already know all of the movements. I already can predict the future movement of the chart. Of course, not for 100%. Sometimes it's not working with the some strategy or analyzing, like, because it's market that's unpredictable. But I already trade so many times that I could do it even without the indicators. I can just look at the chart, and for example, here in this situation, the chart will go up. Let's just, for example, put a line here. I'm definitely sure it will go higher. Let's just take a look at that. I will not open a trade right now because I'm talking to you. So when I'm gonna trade, I need to concentrate eventually. So yeah, but I will definitely give you more answers to all of that when we're gonna trade. So only have $10. Can I make profit with it? You can, but I'm not really sure about this, and I cannot give you any guarantee about this, because guys, $10, it's too small for splitting your deposit into 5 steps. Well, and use our money management system and catch-up system, because it's should be $1, $2, $4, $8, $16, at least like that. And if we will plus all of this, it will be around $32. So actually, the minimum deposit I recommend is $35, like 35. $10, you can try with that, but I'm not sure, guys. Like, it's better not to risk like that. So guys, you can still text your comments. Let's just leave this chat and we will come back to this later. So while you texting all the comments, I could open some trade, and I could answer to all of your questions. So let's change the amount to 100. So what we can see here, pretty good downward trend. So I will open a trade here down for 3 minutes, not for 2 minutes, because I think we need more time here. So what we can see here, here I already set up the alligator and MACD indicator. So it's one of my favorite one for some time, and I use it really often. And for example, I used it on our voice trading session on Tuesday, and a lot of people like it as well. So here we can see on the alligator indicator, 3 lines of alligator is moving downward in the same direction, and there is a distance between them. So it means it's probably the start of the downward trend here, guys, so you can see it. And for example, here we can see that all the lines of alligator indicator is crossing between each other. There is no distance between them, so it's really chaotic. So it could mean that this is the absence of trend. There is no trend here, and we can see it actually, like it's all in the just one rectangle. It's not the upward trend, it's not the downward trend. It's just like this. Of course, it went up and down, but this is really unpredictable. And it's better when you see this kind of thing on the alligator indicator. It's better not to open a trade here. So also, now we can see here some green candle. Our chart just decided to change the movement, although we could see here a pretty good downward trend. Also, we could see that here is the support level, the previous support level. So we still have the distance between the support level. So that's why I opened the trade down. We can see it's pretty close right now. So let's see, let's just wait. Also, we can see on the MACD indicator that our histogram is below the zero level. You can see the zero level here, 0, right? So this is the sign also to open a trade down. And also when we opened a trade just in the beginning, there was only the red pin bars here. So this is also a sign to open a trade down. Now we're in a profit. You can see it going down pretty well. But also the chart is fluctuates right now for a bit. So let's just wait. Not brief. So yeah, actually, yeah, we can see it's a pretty good upward or downward movement right now. Sorry, already talking about other things. So yeah, we have 25 seconds right now till the end of our trades. It's going pretty well. We can see, boom, it just went down. We can see a pretty big pin bar on the MACD indicator. So this is definitely a sign that our chart will move even lower and lower. So we have 8 seconds till the end of our trades. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom, we closed our trade in a profit. We have a profit of $92. Also, you know, guys, one of the things of the trading that I like, I just put $100 per trade and they pay out plus 92%. So I get a profit of $92 and I get, of course, my $100 back. So I'm in a profit for almost all the amount I put on the trade. It's really great. I think it's really great. And you will never see somewhere like this again, like on the other kind of, I don't know, crypto trading or something else. I mean, like P2P trading, of course. Does trading depend more on experience or talent? I think there is nothing about talent here. Actually, like everyone could do that. For example, I'm really bad at math. In the school, I was the worst at math. I couldn't understand anything about this because I was more into the books, into the literature, into the languages, you know, so I have this kind of mindset. So I'm really bad at like all the science things like math, physics, or chemistry, something like this. So, and as you also the same person like me and you're really bad at math, for example, you could think like, oh, this is probably not for me. But you can see me right now here. It's nothing about the math. It's nothing about like the talents. I never thought that I will do that. But one day I just found a person who explained it to me also on the YouTube. It was like my first mentor. And I realized, wow, I like it. And I started trying it. And I realized, wow, yeah, I really like it. But this is nothing about the talent. It's about experience only. Like, the trading could be about the talent only if you're a psychic or something and you can predict the future, actually. But I never met this kind of people in this industry who are actually psychic. But if you are, it's pretty great. It's pretty great. So yeah, it's all about the experience, definitely. I'm 19 years old. It's a great age. So happy birthday of your 19 and you're a totally adult person right now. So yeah, I congratulate you again. 20. Hey Lisa, what strategy do you use and what is the best strategy for someone trading OTS on a time frame of 1 minute? First of all, why you trade 1 minute? And why do you like it? Text in the comments, by the way, because Recently, I asked my subscribers from the web club, and just two people from who gave me the feedback told me to trade with 1 minute trades. It's pretty unpredictable, guys, because before I was doing 1 minute trades, and a lot of people like that because it's pretty fast, and we made a lot of profits in 1 hour with 1 minute. But at the same time, for a lot of people, it was not really convenient because of the delays. Because when I open a trade and then they open a trade, we have a pretty big delay. So this is not really convenient. With 2 minutes, a lot of people like it more. So that's why I have 2 minutes trades right now in my VIP club. So yeah, text me if you like more 1 minute trades or 2 minute trades. It's really interesting. But before, yes, I was doing 1 minute trades, and it's kind of fine. But I prefer 2 minutes right now. So the best strategy, guys, you need to understand that there is no best strategy. Ta-da! Maybe I told you a secret, but there is no best strategy that works 100%. Nothing. Because if it ever exists, everyone will use it. Or everyone use it already now. But it's not exist, actually. I'm really honest with you. I'm not trying to, tell you, oh yeah, this is the best strategy. Just buy my course and I will tell you. There is no best strategy. Of course, there is some indicators that I really like and works really, really great. And I use usually 2 or 3 indicators at the same time. For example, alligator MACD. Super like. Also, for example, 3 moving averages in RSI. Where is that? In RSI, here. I have a video about this. You can see it. Maybe I will show it to you today as well. Also, a lot of people... recently, I showed you the strategy with fractal, and a lot of people like that. It's also pretty nice. For example, super trends. Maybe it somehow looks like have the idea the same like a fractal, but it's different. Zigzag, for example, is pretty nice for the beginners, because it will make you understand the movements of the chart and where is the resistance level and support level. So for example, now we can see that resistance level is here, and support level, like the last before, support level was here, then here, and right now it's here. And as we can see, it achieved the resistance level here, boom, went down, boom, just bounced back, did a reversal and went up. And here again, achieved the support level, and now we can see here 2 green candles. So it's reversing because it couldn't just break this level, the support level. So zigzag indicator is pretty great for the beginners to understand the support and resistance level. Yeah. Also, what can I recommend? Actually, I have a lot of strategies on my YouTube. But yeah, for example, also alligator and also may it kind of looks alike with MACD, but it's not giving you so much information. Don't recommend. Also, you can use alligator with RSI. The thing I like about RSI and MACD indicator, for example, that it's showing you the situation right now. So this green line of RSI is our chart, and this, for example, blue line is the level 70. It's our upward trend. So when our RSI line intersects the blue line here, the level 70, it means like this is the upward trend, and our chart will probably move even higher. So the buyers is winning right now. And when our line of RSI is intersecting this yellow line, like the level 30 of RSI, it means that this is probably gonna be a downward trend, and it will go even lower. Or for example, we can see it right now on the previous situations. For example, here our line of RSI intersects this blue line, and we can see, boom, it started the upward trend. I will draw it for you as well. Oh my god, I lost so many comments already there. Sorry, guys. Sorry. So here, boom, here started the upward trend, and we can see when our green line of area sign was above the blue line, it was a huge upward trend, a huge upward trend. So that's how we can understand the situation right now, and we could predict the future movement of the chart. And the thing is that the RSI indicator is showing us the situation right now. It's changing really fast. And for example, alligator indicator is showing us not the situation right now, and it could change not so really quick, but at the same time this is also pretty accurate. So that's why I combine these indicators together. I hope this was pretty useful. Actually, there's a lot that I can recommend to you. For example, some of the time I was using Ichimoku indicator, also pretty interesting one. Looks really difficult, but it's also pretty interesting. I will not explain it to you right now. Wait a minute. I need to answer to other questions. Crazy. Or maybe we should just open another trade, guys. What do you think? I think yes. Wait, I will come back my MACD indicator. Oh, actually, I will leave the RSI as well. I usually change the RSI indicator colors. So the level 70 is green, it's like the upward trend. The middle level is gray, it means like the absence of trend, nothing. And the level 30 is red, it's a downward trend. And main line is our chart, is a white line. So let me drink for a second. And on alligator and MACD indicator, I don't change anything. Now we can see, for example, on the RSI line, that this is almost in the middle of our RSI indicator. So that's why I leave that, because on the MACD indicator, we couldn't see that. And also we can see it on the alligator indicator. All the lines is crossing each other, going like together. There is no distance between them. So we just leave this chart. You know, guys, I always tell you, if you see that the chart is acting crazy, or the chart is, I don't know, fluctuates a lot, or there's a big volatility, it's better to leave this chart and change it to other one. You see how many charts you have here with the payout of 92%. So just change it. There's a lot of really good charts at the moment when you trade, and you don't need to trade on one chart for all the time, for all the trading session, when you trade by yourself, I mean. And for example, when I do trading sessions, I change 3-4 charts in one trading session, sometimes even more, because I just see that this this chart already not so good. There is the absence of trend, so that's why I just leave the chart. So let's find some chart with good movement. For example, now we can see like here's the downward trend, but although we can see on the MACD indicator, guys, I hope you see it. Yeah, you see everything fine. We can see on the MACD indicator the green pin bars. Boom! What is that? I mean, guys, when I always do all of my videos on YouTube, I'm always telling you that you need to look at all of the indicators. If one of the indicators is giving you the opposite signal, like to open a trade up, for example, or looks suspicious, it's better to change the chart as well. Because here, the alligator indicator, three lines of alligator is moving downward in the same direction. There is a big distance between them. This is the signal to open a trade down. Also, the RSI line almost intersects the red line. It's going downward. So this is a signal also like to open a trade down. But on the MACD indicator, we see that, yeah, histogram is below the zero level, but we can see there are green pin bars. And this is kind of signal to open a trade up. So this is not good. And also we can see here that our chart already achieved the support level. Boom. And probably it will reverse. Can I talk? Probably it will reverse. As we can see, it's achieved this level, and it just couldn't break this level. It just couldn't. It's try, but they can't. So let's find something else. I draw so many things here, crazy. Here, the disadvantage of this chart is really small candles. So you can see it. It's really small. So for example, you will open a trade, and yeah, you will almost close this trade. It will be maybe like minus or plus 3 points or something like this. So it's better not to trade also on the chart like this. So here is the same situation, not so small, but also not really strong downward movement. The same situation, we can see it here. kind of the same situation because it's not OTS market. On the OTS market, it's the same. Same. Let's find something else already. What is going on? Actually, it's sometimes it's hard to find some charts because it's not the best time for trading. So it's better to trade with New York time when it's the morning in New York. So that's why we do our trading session. For example, I will have a trading session in 1.5 hours, and it will be like 9 a.m. Yeah, it will be like just 9 a.m. In the morning in New York. So this is the best time, and that's why we chose this time for a trading session. So, okay, let's wait till our charts will just move or something. It will change for a bit, and we will open some other trades because now I can see like the best for us. Let's open a trade here for $100 down for 3 minutes. We can see our chart here almost achieved the resistance level and just went down. I will explain to you this later. So, how can I work with pocket option? I'm also a trader, but I don't have much capital like you. Guys, all of my subscribers, it start with $50, $50, $100. This is like the average amount per money that my subscribers deposit. And also you can use my promo code. Yeah, guys, I remember about the promo code. I will give it to you. Just watch this the live stream till the end. So a lot of traders, a lot of guys who start trading with me start with $50, $100. This is not so much. And also, like, my signals is free, my web club is free, so you don't need to pay me any other money. You just need to deposit the money on your account. You can withdraw it anytime when you want. Or, for example, you could start trading on the demo account with me, and then go to the real account. For example, if you don't like something, you can always withdraw your money and just leave, and that's it. Like, this is also one of my key of my philosophy. Like, you always have a choice. If you don't want it, you can just withdraw your money and go. That's it. But at the same time, I'm doing all my best for you, so you will have great results. What do you think about 30 seconds or 10 seconds time frames, guys? So if you mean about the time frames of the candles, because you didn't text it what kind of time frame of the trade or all the candles, so we can see. Let's see, for example, this chart, for example, M1 right now. Let's look at this chart with S30 time frame. What does it mean actually for all the people who don't know yet? So it means, like, for example, here right now, every candle lasts 30 seconds. And then after 30 seconds, there is a new candle appear. For example, when we change it to S10, we see here's much more candles than we saw on the previous chart. But actually, this is the same chart. And here it means like every 2 seconds, there's a new candle appear. For example, if we will come back to, we will change it to M2, we will see absolutely different chart. Like, it looks absolutely different, but although this is the same currency pair. And if you will open a trade with me, for example, I use M1 on JOT/CNI OTS, I use M1 and you use S30, we will still open the trades on the same entry points. But although our charts will look the same, even if it's like the same asset. So this is the thing. But I don't really recommend you to use S30 or S10 because this is kind of stressful actually. When you just, guys, we just saved our trades. it just closed on the same entry points. So we just saved it. Okay, we will open another one right now. So I think you can use it if you like it, but I don't really like it. I don't really recommend it because it's changing so quickly, and it's not really so important. At least M1, use M1 or M2. This is pretty good for also analyzing the chart. Let's open another trade here for $100 as well. So is the parabolic SAR easy strategy for beginners? Okay, let's look at the parabolic SAR. Where is that? So, parabolic SAR Actually, it's not giving us so much information. I had the video about this. So many indicators here. I hope you can see all of this. But well, it's easy. It's easy to understand how all this working, but at the same time, again, it's not giving you so much information. It's just giving you the information about the movement of the chart. For example, it's pretty easy. When we see like the oldest points, the green points in this case, is going up, there's the upward trend. Where all the points is going down, there's a downward trend. For example, here. But for example, here it's not so accurate. For example, yeah, it went down, but then it went up. But all the like all these points is showing us like it's a downward trend. So I'm not really sure about the accuracy of this indicator. You can use it, of course, you can try it, but only with other indicators. Only with other indicators. For example, MACD. For example, RSI. For example, demarker or something else. But yeah, it's like one of the best one for this indicator. But yeah, it's not giving you too much information. You can try it. It's pretty okay. But I don't really use it for a long time already. I tried it. It's fine, but not so accurate actually, and not so many traders use it really. So wait a minute. Hi Lisa, hope you're doing well. Thank you. Yeah. I want to ask you how you choose the best asset for trading. Well, I just showed you that right now. I just open every asset and I just look at the movement of the chart. If it's really small candles, boom, it's not for us. If it fluctuates a lot, it go like up and down, up and down, up and down at the same time, like every time. Also not the best chart because it's really big fluctuations and volatility. If it's a zigzag movement like this, also not really so good because it's unpredictable. When it's also like not really so strong upward or downward trend, not our situation. Or where's the absence of trends, when our chart is just going in one direction, like just straight, like it's not up or downward trend, also not our situation. So I use all of this things to understand if it's our chart. So yeah guys, we had a profit, that's great, applause. So I still answering on the really old comments, sorry. I will just go to your other one right now. So how many losses did you take before becoming profitable, Lisa? I think something around like 3-4 months. And first of all, for example, when I just started, I deposited like $100, and I was so, chaotic. I was so like, I wanted to make as much money as I can and everything. I was pretty riskful. So I lost this $100 in maybe just 2 days. Then I deposited like also $100, and I already was trading with them for a longer time and I made some profit. But then boom, when you got a profit, you feel like you're the, I don't know, queen of the world and you could do anything, and you start to putting for one trade just the half of your deposit, and then you lost. So I didn't use a money management at that time. I didn't know about the catch-up system at that time, and I was using like 20% of my deposit or 30% per one trade or even more. But right now I'm using, and I'm always telling you, you need to use 1 to 5% of your deposit. So after some months, I became a profitable, but this is a pretty long way as well. Lisa made a deposit yesterday. I'm a beginner, so I still had a lot to learn. So for those who are beginners, you don't need to worry about this actually, because I have my own educational channel. I give you the access to this educational channel when you just join my VIP club. It's all free, absolutely, for everyone as well. So you could just learn everything there, and I'm always in touch with you, and you can ask me any questions. So don't be worried about this. Lisa made a deposit. Oh, sorry, it's I already. The status self-verification is so... So what do you mean? Like you have some problems with verification? Please, how do I identify a false breakout and what to do when this happens? For example, if you didn't win this trade, you just waiting for this trade to close and you open a catch up. That's it, actually. We like 2 minute trades or more time frame. That's great. That's great. Lisa, can we do a social trading by following your account in bucket option? By that, all of us would be able to place trades on the exactly time as you do automatically. I already, guys, I'm telling that in every, I think, live stream. I'm already tired of telling this the same story about the copy trading again, like again and again. Again, I don't believe in that. I don't trust other platforms with social trading, with like copy trading. I don't do it, guys. And I met a lot of people who was copy trading other traders, and sometimes it's just like so your account is together with the account of this person, and while you're sleeping, they could do like they could just lose all of your deposit. You woke up, you found it out, and then this trader is like, oh, sorry, the market was really unpredictable, and I lost and you lost. I think, first of all, again, I think you need to do everything by yourself. I know here's a lot of people who just want to make money as like that because they already saw a lot of traders who is telling them, oh, you can do like thousands of dollars starting with like $50 in just 1 week. Guys, this is not true. This is not the real picture. They're just telling you these beautiful words so you will believe them. So again, please don't believe in that. Be realistic. Be realistic. Nobody will make money for you while you're sleeping. No one. And if you believe it's actually like that, you can go to other trader and do a copy trading with them. But I don't do it. You are trading by yourself. You also take the responsibility for all of your acts. You decided to do it and you do it. I'm giving you signals, you follow it. You trade by yourself. That's how you gain experience as well. So you will become a self trader after that in the future. So please, if you actually want it, if you actually want copy trading, I'm not pushing you. You can just do it with other trader, really. But I have this kind of philosophy that you should do it by yourself. You should trade by yourself by following my signals. If you want to achieve actually something, you should do something for that. Pretty easy. So, do you actually trade on the night? Because I often see night trading can be lucrative, but also at the same time high volatility. Do you also trade on the cryptocurrency? So, it actually depends on from which country you trade. Because, for example, I have 12 hours difference with New York. So, for example, when it's 9 p.m. for me, it's 9 a.m. in the New York. So, for me, I'm trading on the night time. But it's actually the best, it's the best to look at the New York time. So, it's the best to trade when it's the morning in New York. And, for example, if you have a different time zones, it could be, I don't know, 12 a.m. at your country and 9 a.m. in New York. So 12 a.m. could be the pretty good time for you to trade. And for someone, it could be 4 p.m. in their country and 9 a.m. in New York. And 4 p.m. for them is the best time to trade. So you understand, right? So we always look at the New York time because when the market there is open, this is the best time to trade. Do you also trade on cryptocurrency? No. I had a video about the trading on the cryptocurrency. I can't do that. But I have also this kind of philosophy that if you want to be the best in something, you should be the best in one thing. So I'm not trying to do everything at the same time, to trading on the, for example, commodities, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, and currencies at the same time. Because the people who's doing that, like the traders who's doing that, who do copy trading, who do like VIP signals, who sell their courses and everything, they just want to make as much money as they can in the fast amount of time. I'm doing everything really slow. Like, I mean, like for 2 years, I have not so many subscribers. I'm just not the most popular trader on the YouTube yet. But this is just because I'm moving slow but successfully, and I just focus on one thing. I just focus on the currencies, on trading on the currencies, on real market and OTS market. So that's why I don't really trade cryptocurrencies. You're the best mentor ever. I'm your big fan from Pakistan. I'm your VIP member. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're the best member. I'm your big fan. Yeah, yeah. What is your favorite indicators? I already told you that. Right now, at the moment, it's alligator, is MACD, RSI, moving average, fractal somehow, maybe. Stochastic accelerator, for example, pretty good one. Bollinger Bands, no. So yeah, alligator, RSI, MACD, and moving average, definitely. Clarify ketchup, please. Well, okay, let me show you. So, for example, I will not open a trade because we already don't have time actually for that, but still. For example, now I will open a trade down for $100 here. And boom, 2 minutes left, blah, blah, blah. We didn't win this trade. What should we do? Right? We don't want to lose our money that we lost. We lost $100 and we want it back, right? So for the next trade, I put $200. But in my case, because I use $100 per trade in this case, right? So I just double my amount of money. And then I open a trade for $200 down, for example, again. And after 2 minutes, I won. And I have a profit of $154. So, and I lost in the previous trade $100. So I have a profit of $84. So because of the second trade, I covered the losses from my first trade and still have a profit. So this is all the also philosophy. How many times I said philosophy in this live stream? So this is also like the main thing of the catch-up system, that we cover the losses from our trades that we didn't win and still have a profit. And for example, in this way, we could do 5 catch-ups. It's like the maximum. But usually, actually, in my web club, we have 1-2 catch-ups. That's it. Even on my voice trading session, sometimes 3, but this is really rare. It's really rare. So for example, we didn't win our trade with $200. We do a trade with $400. We open again trade down and boom, we won. And we have a profit of $368. And we lost like $300 on the last trades. So 368 minus 300, we have a profit of $68 still, and we covered our losses. So this is how it works, right? But usually the people who's in my VIP club, they trade with $1 per trade. So then you open a trade for $2, then $4. Then, for example, if you didn't win your third trade, you open a trade with $8, then 60. Like this should be the maximum, but you could also do like a 6 steps, So the last step is gonna be $32, so it's around $70 in total for the minimum deposit. So this is it. This is actually pretty easy. So this strategy is made for not losing money, for covering our losses and still have a profit. So for explaining the copy trading, and thank you. It's my first time asking you, so I didn't know about that. You have already told. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Sorry for maybe being like like this, but actually like a lot of people still ask me about this. I think I should do a post. But thank you for your questions. I'm always happy to answer to that. Thank you for your activity, really. During catch-up trading, I realized that you sometimes win while lost. This happens after so much money is invested into the catch-up. This is discouraging. First of all, just text me your story in more details for example, private messages, so I could help you somehow. Because there is a lot of difficulties that could affect that. For example, you trade on the phone, and that's why you have a big delay, and we open a trade not on the same time. Because, for example, I send you a signal and you open a trade only 5 seconds after me. So that's why. Also, I'm always telling you guys, if you didn't win a trade on a catch up, you could do the next signal like a catch up again, even though, like, for example, I won and you didn't. But it also depends on how many signals did you do, because actually usually in my VIP club we don't have so many catch ups. We have like maximum 3 catch ups, so it should be fine. But if you have any problems, you're always welcome to text me in private messages. I will help you personal with that, okay? Because now I cannot see your situation. I can understand what is happening with you and what kind of problems we have. Maybe you have like Wi-Fi connection problems, VPN problems, or something else, or you trade only on the phone and that's why you have a delay. It could be a lot of things. What is the minimum amount should I deposit to have best chances? $50 is the minimum. And also you will use my promo code that will give you plus 50%, so you will have $75 on your account. So guys, give me the time. Give me the time. Preparing for you something, so be here. Wait a minute. So yeah. And yeah, guys, also, by the way, here, text me in the comments, what do you think about the voice trading session? If someone from VIP Club here, text me your feedback. What do you think about that? It's really interesting. So, guys, I promised you. So, here is the promo code for your first deposit. Sorry. What the heck? Here it is. Lisa Trade. Here is the promo code that you can use on Pocket Option while registering on the Pocket Option by my link. It's also really important, on my link. And you can use this promo code to get plus 50% to your first deposit. As I told you, for example, if you will deposit $50, you will get $75 on your account just because of this promo code. If you will deposit $100, you will have $150 on your account. But the main thing, guys, I'm also telling you that right now, of course, you cannot withdraw the bonus money. The advantage of bonus money that you just have more money on your account to trade with. So that's how you can put more money per trade. For example, not $1, but $5, for example. And that's how you can have more profits as well. But when you will do a withdrawal, for example, this $25 of the bonus, you will not withdraw, right? So you just withdraw your profit. But the money that you made with this bonus money, you will withdraw without any problem. So this is it. Your 3 indicators just made me to be able in analyzing how the charts will move in the future. Thanks for the tactic. Thank you so much. I'm really happy that it helped you. Thank you. My first day deposit is $70 and got the 35 bonus totaling $105 as a newbie. I traded that day and closed the trading with $198. After you closed your trading, I continued and lost everything. Come on. It was so great story. And so after you finished trading with me, you continued and lost everything. Wait, there is a continuing of the story. Then yesterday I deposited another $90 and closed with $162 and withdraw $102 immediately. Now I began trading carefully with $56 balance and now I have 98. Oh my god, it feels like I read just a book. You just made like me like this, like a roller coaster. Like boom, I lost everything, but then it's the happy ending. I'm so happy for you. Thank you so much for sharing your stories. This is great. And this is great that you realize your mistakes, that you don't need to trade in the beginning by yourself, because it still could be difficult. Because I know when you just had a really great profit, you think like, yeah, I can do it by myself. But then this happens. I know so many stories like that. So it's better just, guys, to move slow. It's better just to do everything step by step. And just trade every day, having a profits, and that's great. As you can see, you made like $50 profit in just first day. It's really great, actually. It's really great. So for example, in first day you will make a profit of $50. Right now you have more money on your account. You can do more and more and more profit. So that's how in a week you could do like, I don't know, $400, $500. It's really great. I think in a month it's gonna be $2,000. Why not? Why not? Promo codes work only one time. Yes, that's true. But also I have a promo code for the second deposit. But you need to text me in private messages for that. So yeah, Lisa's the best signing up on Friday. Thank you so much. For a copying trade, I just wanted to place trades on the exact same time because just for some reason, for some seconds, my trades go lost, but you win. That's why. I don't believe in order, only can trust you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, but I told you guys, of course, we try to, like, I always send you signals at the same time when I open that. For example, like I already text the signal you hear, and boom, with one finger I open the trade, with the second finger I send you a signal right at the same second. But the thing is how you react as well. And I can understand that sometimes it's not about you, sometimes it's just you have only one phone to trade with, so that's why. But I try my best, guys. What a great voice trading session. I think they're much better due to easier trade timing with each other. Thank you so much. Yeah, I got a lot of guys feedback from you about the voice trading session. It's really nice to hear, actually. How can we withdraw from pocket option? A lot of ways to do that. But for example, if you you deposited your money with crypto, you can withdraw your money only to crypto back, to Bitcoin or altcoin or USDT TRC20 or ARC20, for example. If you deposited your money with bank transfer, you can deposit your money only to bank transfer as well back. So this is how it works. For example, if you deposit it with crypto, you cannot withdraw it to the bank account back. So that's why. The voice trading session is the best, no delays and all, and we're always on profits. Oh, thank you. Better in Telegram than on YouTube. What do you mean? The live streams or the trading session? This is not a trading session. Here I'm just showing you some strategies. We're just talking with you and practicing at the same time. I would love more voice trading session. I will think about this, guys. Definitely. I'm from VIP Club and I really enjoyed with your signals. Thank you. So nice to hear. I will screenshot, guys. If you don't mind, I will screenshot some of your feedback to post in my group because I'm really proud of you guys. Voice trading is good, but it depends on network because voice and videos take longer, even by microseconds than text. Yeah, that's right. But that's why it's also voice trading session, not video trading session, because with video, yeah, it could be delays. But with voice, it's pretty accurate. A lot of people told me that. Live voice trading is the best because there is no delay, period. Thank you. Period. I like that. Period. What is the difference between the demo and live trading? Are they the same? No, because the demo account, it's virtual money that the platform gave to you, so you could just practice. And live trading, like the real account, it's your own money that you can trade with, have a profit, and withdraw this money to your account back with your profit. Also, if you do almost every time wins, is it most likely that you do wins on real account? Because I'm over... Wait, also, if you do almost every time wins, is it most likely that you do wins on the real account? Did I get this right, guys? Because I'm over 80% profits. You're over 80% profits? That's great. That's great, but I don't understand the other part of the sentences. I'm sorry. Yes, I also love the voice chat trading session because of no late. If I place the withdraw, how long does it take to get to me? It depends also what kind of the way of withdrawal you use. Crypto, bank account, or e-wallets. But at the same time, for example, I use only crypto. So for me, it takes like 1 hour, 2 hours usually to get the money, or even faster sometimes. But recently I was talking on the live stream on Telegram with some person who's from Kenya, I think, and he always withdraw the money to his bank transfer, and he got the money like in the same day. Although before, like for example, I'm from other country, and the bank transfers is take like 5 days sometimes to get the money on your account. So that's why I usually recommend to use crypto. Deposit with crypto and withdraw with crypto. It's much more faster. But as I noticed, a lot of people also deposit with bank transfers and also withdraw to a bank account, and there is no problem. They get the money in the same day. Um, wait. I also prefer the voice trading, no delays, and win when you win. You're so nice. How can we withdraw from pocket option? I already answered on that question. You asked me that. Vote for voice trading session regularly. Thank you, thank you. Well said, thank you. I love voice trading session more than texting session because texting comes with delay. I will do something with that, I think. Lisa, please, can you tell me if the Bidget wallet is legit or scam? I'm sorry, is it? I don't know what is Bidget wallet. I'm serious. I don't know. It's some new game or something. Bidget wallet. I think it's some kind of yeah, I got what you mean. It's crypto wallet. I'm just googling it now. I'm not really into crypto, you know it, guys. I'm into trading. It's a whole different thing. Bitjet. It's not Bitjet. Bidget wallet, your Web3 trading wallet in the future. What is Bidget wallet? Is a secure digital wallet that allows you to store, manage, and trade various types of cryptocurrencies. Why you need this if it's is my money safe in Bidget? Multi-layer security approach to ensure the safety of user accounts. But it's really new one, I think. So I would not trust it. Definitely. I still managed to make this same trades and all succeeds. That's great. That's great. Can do regular live trading, not in Telegram. Oh, and where? Where if it's not the Telegram? I'm from Pakistan. I really loved your signals. Thank you. There is a big delay between the YouTube and the Telegram. It's like I'm in the future by about 20 seconds. Yes, somehow I still close these trades with wins. Yeah, guys, like today, sorry, I forgot to tell about this, but on the YouTube live streams, I never recommend you to follow my signals because there's a big delay. Like it's about 20 seconds. So that's why we're just practicing here. I'm just showing you how I trade, what kind of strategies I use. You can ask me questions. But yeah, there is a really big delay. Like I don't recommend you that. Is the market on demo and live the same regulation, like same minute and same seconds? Oh, yeah, actually same. It's same. It's no differences. The main difference is that on demo account you're not making real money. On real account you're making real money. This is it. Also, if on the demo you constantly do wins, is it most likely you do wins on real account? I know nothing is promise. Well, there is no difference between the charts on the demo account and real account. This is absolutely same. So if you practice enough in the demo account, you can go to the real account. If you do profits on demo account, you could definitely do it on the real accounts as well. But of course, I always recommend for my subscribers to, for example, if you just join my web club, yeah, you have the real money on your account, but you can try the first trading session with demo account. You open just the same assets and trade with me. You open the same time frames and trade with me. That's it. Like it's the same assets. Brother or sister, Binance is safer to keep your crypto, even safer if you use 2FA. Yes, yes. Binance, and I recommend Bybit as well. Lisa, I typed my mail address wrongly, so I can't withdraw my profits. Text me with that in the private messages, please. I will contact you, and you just need to text the support. So I think everything will be fine. Don't worry. The support is answering there really quickly. So I will also, I think, send you the message that you need to text to the support, so they will allow you to do it and to change your email. So don't worry about this. So, guys, we're already 15 minutes late, actually. But I really enjoyed talking with you today, and that's why we delayed for a bit. But yeah, thank you so much. You were so active. Guys, I hope you don't mind if I just screenshot some of your comments, and I will share your feedback in the my group. So yeah, thank you so much again. I hope you like it. I hope it was useful for you. So yeah, see you today on the trading session. I will start it in 45 minutes already, so I need to get ready for that. So yeah, I love you all and see you on other trading session. Bye bye.